take this bowl out. It doesn't look like I'm going to have to do anything with these. No cleaning, no nothing, because they're quite very clean inside. So you can get this one off nicely as well without bending anything. Yeah, marvellous. Look at that. And that's the insides of it. Brilliant. That's one worry out of my mind of cleaning the carburetors up. So I've just got to put the proper jets back in and it'll be fine. So what size jet is that one? You see that's a 90 as well. So I've already tried to balance them. The old rule of thumb, let's have a look, let's get the calculator out. These are 22mm carbs, apparently. Take the diameter in millimeters, you times it by 5, and that should give you a jet size of 110. And the sea level, all that crap to factor in and whatnot, so times it by 0.9. There's loads of YouTube videos how to do it and stuff on it. So the jet size should be 98 if it's straight through. So I'm not far off it, but where the Hounds manual says 70-75 is way off it. But that might be just part of the restriction to keep the bike in within the 15 brake horsepower limit. Right. Well, I've got a new jet kit coming for anyway. Rejetted, I think it's like stage 1, 2 or 3, I can't remember. It's if you've got an open exhaust and modified the airbox. So it'll be interesting to see what jet sizes they are when they come. But there's also the diaphragms at the top, which I'm going to do next. So what you do for those is you turn it around and then upside down. That way the left hand side is still the front and the right hand side is the rear. You don't get anything mixed up. That's my wife just shouting at a cat for some reason. Now it looks like I'm going to have to take this pipe off because it's going to get in the way. So that's just a breather hose. Right, let's have a look at the rubbers in here, the diaphragm rubbers. Make sure they're still alright. Plastic tops, so be careful how you undo them or whatever. That goes in the front box. That goes in the front box. Hey, that goes in the front box too. With a boing, a zebedee. So you don't want to break that spring. So I'll put that quite nicely into the front box. The same with this bit. So it's all together. It's the diaphragm seal. Nice that it goes around there. You've always got to line that up for some reason. It comes out nice and clean. Look at that. Brilliant. And there's your needle, which sits down in there. This is nice and clever, that is. So let's just have a look. Yeah, that springs back up inside. That's quite nice. Can't really see much in there. Oh, there is a screw in there. Hang on, where's my little screwdriver? There it is. Let's see if there's a screw in there. Can't fit it with that one, it's probably too big. cannot see. Looks like there's a screw in there, but no, it's just not moving. Yeah, okay, there is a screw in there, I can't get to it. No, the rubber still looks alright. I'm happy about that. Slide has got something like that. You alright, Don? Yeah. So it does need cleaning, it does have some bits on it. Good old bit of kitchen roll, here we go. It makes a good difference or what? Yeah, that's got it. Yeah, that's alright now. Yeah. Excellent, I'm happy with that. So let's see if it moves up and down quite nicely. It should do. As long as the needle goes in the right spot. Yeah. Yeah, so the springer keeps that down. And as you rev the bike or open the throttle, it creates more of a vacuum. So it draws it up. Oh, but it's stuck now. Oh, clever. Yeah, so it draws it up and then opens it up more. Increases the fuel and air ratio and whatnot, and blah blah blah. You know, if you watch the videos, you'll know what it does. So it's that one. Just look, there's a little bit of sediment at the bottom there, so I'll get that out. Yeah. Right, I'm happy now. It is worth taking them apart and cleaning them. It's been sat for 7 years, isn't it? It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Yeah, right. So that's that side. That's the front. That's the rear. Yeah. Hang on, if I lift the camera up, you'll be able to see. So that's down the one port. You can see the butterfly valve now. And that diaphragm I just took out. Here's that bit that's blocking it. There you go. There's a very smart man who thought of carburetors. Right, that pipe's all right there, so we can take this one straight out. This is where we get Mr. Zebsy go boing again. That's come on quite nicely. Right, so I'll keep my thumb on it this time. There you go, so all the screws in the back box. There we go. Yeah, so it's called clean inside. Spring looks in good condition. And that new set I'm getting is probably different spring. But as I'm putting it all together, I'll compare them both together. Right. There we go. So it's coming out quite nicely. Yeah. That's nice and clean. Yeah. So you can go in that box with that lot. The fuel seems to be a bit of a funky colour. Oh, that's what the colour it goes after 7 years of sitting in the carburetor doing nothing. Clean that all up. So this is the rear cylinder. There we go. So yeah, so there we go. That's pretty much the end of the video really. These tubes are only just to smooth out the air going into the carbs. And the 125 with revs so high and small carburetors, you need something with not a very turbulent airflow going through it. Yeah, and the throttle responds quite nicely, doesn't it? Yeah, that's smooth, doesn't stick. So I'm happy with that. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. That is quite nice. Interesting thing was, there wasn't any fuel in this one. When I took it out from this one, there was fuel in that one. I don't know if that's that me taking it apart or something like that. How does fuel get into that part? Because the air comes in through there into this part here, which is the float chamber, and the fuel pod is underneath. There's nothing that comes up here. There's a little hole at the top, which is the pressure regularisation to in here. How did fuel get up and into there? That's got to be what I did, taking it apart, turning it upside down. It's got to be. Unless fuel has found a way to oppose the law of gravity. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Right, let's turn it back round. So remember, turn it back round. Like so. Turn it the other way up. So here your front cylinder and your rear cylinder. Right. So yeah, when you're ticking over, you want to do carburetor balancing and all that jazz. You use those two screws. I don't know if you can see them in the camera. And apparently you just slowly adjust them until the bike runs the fastest, and then you keep turning it and it will run slower, and then you turn it back, you get slightly in between, and the same with the other side, and then you adjust your idle speed. If you adjust your idle speed to counteract one of these, you're just going to run into a problem, but those two only affect the low speed RPM. That's what I've seen in the online. The pictures on YouTube and whatnot. Then on half a throttle, so a quarter to about 3/4 of a throttle. It's these that govern how much fuel and air ratio that goes in. So with that set, these springs should be slightly shorter, maybe about 5-10 mil. That's all it is. And then these, there might be an adjustment on these. You get different C clips that go around them, so how far up they go down. It's just down to fuel mixture, but that's only up to a quarter to 3/4 throttle. When it's full throttle, those are wide open, so it doesn't matter what the springs are or the threads are. The things that affect it from 3/4 onwards are your main jets. No, I don't have a problem with higher top speed, but it's in between. So I might find with the new set that comes, 90s might be not far off it. It might be like a couple of points off it, which is brilliant. Since the book's supposed to say 70-75, so 70 for the front and 75 for the rear. Yeah, the front runs leaner. Okay, it still doesn't show the problem with the difference that I'm getting, unless, hang on, let's try not to mix these two springs up.